Hey space fans, have you ever stopped to wonder if the universe is playing tricks on us? What if instead of being in a typical spot in the cosmos, we're actually living inside a gigantic, mysterious void, a region of space that's emptier than the cosmic average? It sounds like science fiction, but this idea is at the heart of one of the biggest debates in modern astronomy. Today, we're diving deep into a cosmic mystery that could change how we see our place in the universe. Buckle up because this is a wild ride through space, time, and the very fabric of reality. Let's start with something called the Hubble tension. If you've been following space news, you might have heard this term thrown around a lot lately. But what is it really? Well, the Hubble tension is a cosmic puzzle that's got astronomers scratching their heads. It's not just a minor disagreement. It's a full-blown scientific drama that could rewrite our understanding of the universe's history and fate. At its core, the Hubble tension is about how fast the universe is expanding. You'd think this would be a simple thing to measure, but it turns out the universe is a lot more complicated than we thought. Here's where things get tricky. Scientists have two main ways to measure the universe's expansion rate, known as the Hubble constant. The first method looks at the early universe, using the ancient light left over from the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This light is like a baby picture of the universe, showing us what things looked like just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. By studying the patterns in this light, scientists can calculate how fast the universe should be expanding today. The second method is more local. It involves looking at nearby galaxies and measuring how fast they're moving away from us right now, using supernovae and other cosmic distance markers. But here's the kicker. These two methods give different answers. The early universe says one thing, and our local measurements say another. The numbers just don't match up. Imagine you have two clocks in your house, and they're both supposed to tell the same time. But when you check them, one says it's noon, and the other says it's 12:15. You'd probably wonder if one of them is broken, or if something weird is going on with time itself. That's exactly the situation astronomers are facing with the Hubble tension. It's like the universe is keeping two sets of books, and we can't figure out which one is right. Here's where things get wild. Some scientists have proposed a mind-bending idea to explain this cosmic mismatch. What if Earth, our solar system, and even our entire galaxy are sitting inside a massive cosmic void? Picture a gigantic bubble in space, hundreds of millions of light years across, with far less matter like galaxies, stars, and dark matter than the cosmic average. These voids aren't just empty space. They're real features of the universe's large-scale structure, surrounded by denser regions called filaments and walls. If we happen to be inside one of these voids, it could totally mess with our measurements of the universe's expansion. The light from distant galaxies would have to travel through this underdense region, and that could make it look like the universe is expanding faster than it really is. It's a bit like looking through a funhouse mirror. What you see isn't quite what's really there. If this cosmic void idea is true, it could explain why our local measurements of the Hubble constant are higher than those from the early universe. The void would act like a lens, distorting the light and making distant galaxies appear to be moving away from us faster than they actually are. This would mean the universe isn't really expanding as quickly as we think. It just looks that way because of where we are. It's a radical idea, but it's gaining traction as astronomers search for answers to the Hubble tension. Scientists are now using powerful computers to simulate what the universe would look like if we were inside a void, and they're comparing those simulations to real observations. The results are intriguing, but the jury is still out. And here's the twist that makes this story even more fascinating. The sound of the Big Bang itself might hold the key to solving the mystery. When the universe was young, it was filled with hot, dense plasma that rippled with sound waves. Yes, actual sound waves, though not the kind you could hear with your ears. These primordial ripples left imprints in the cosmic microwave background, creating a pattern of tiny temperature fluctuations that we can still see today. By studying these patterns, scientists can learn about the conditions of the early universe, including whether we might be living in a cosmic void. The CMB is like a cosmic fingerprint, and it could reveal secrets about our cosmic neighborhood that we never imagined. Recent studies have taken a closer look at these fingerprints in the universe's afterglow. Some researchers have found subtle hints that the patterns in the CMB are consistent with us living in a slightly underdense region, a cosmic bubble, if you will. They've used sophisticated statistical techniques to compare the observed CMB with what we'd expect if we were inside a void, and the results are tantalizing. It's not a slam dunk, but it's enough to keep the debate alive. If these findings hold up, it could mean that our entire understanding of the universe's expansion is based on a cosmic illusion. We might have to rethink everything from the age of the universe to the nature of dark energy itself. So are we really living in a giant cosmic void? The answer isn't clear yet, but astronomers are on the case. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and upcoming surveys with the Vera C. Rubin Observatory are gathering more data than ever before. These instruments can peer deeper into space and time, mapping the distribution of galaxies and measuring the cosmic microwave background with unprecedented precision. With every new observation, we get a little closer to solving the Hubble tension and uncovering the true nature of our cosmic neighborhood. It's an exciting time to be a space fan, because the next big discovery could be just around the corner. If you love space mysteries as much as we do, smash that like button and subscribe for more cosmic adventures every week. Whether we're living in a giant void or not, one thing's for sure: the universe is full of surprises, and we're just getting started on this incredible journey to understand it all. Stay curious, keep looking up, and remember, in the vastness of space, there's always another mystery waiting to be solved.